Hi everybody, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I took an old wig and I repaired it and made it into this beautiful wig that you see here. Okay guys, so I started with making my lines to see the distance apart, and then I placed the closure to see the area that I don't need to touch. After outlining the closure, I'm beginning to stitch on the wig cap. So something funky was happening with my sewing machine, so I took to the old-fashioned way, and y'all, it's always good to have a backup method because this really worked. Now that the wig is done, it's definitely time to style it, so I'm going to add some wand curls into this bad boy. So this is the wig with the curls in it, so now I'm going to finger the curls through to make it how I like it. So after everything is sewn on, it's time to remove the little wig part under the closure. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now I'm placing it on my head and let's see how it's going to come out. Yes, honey, I am feeling this wig. Tell me what y'all think.